Tuloy na sa Sawalay Thoughts. Hi everyone! Ito po ang babaeng madaldal na walang makausap and welcome to episode 0 of Sawalay Thoughts. Una sa lahat, I would like to greet everyone a Happy New Year. Naway lahat ng mga dilulos natin ngayong 2024 ay ating makamtan. Dilulo rin po kasi ako, so may the odds be ever in our favor. Again, salamat sa pakikinig sa episode na to. And kaya po siya tinawag na episode 0 is because I would like to first introduce myself and this podcast to the listeners. Since I'm a nobody, I would like you all to know how this podcast came about and what you can expect from this podcast. Una, Sawalay Thoughts. Thoughts in Tagalog, ibig sabihin po nun is mga naiisip. Alam naman po natin yun. So, saan galing yung Sawalay? Sawalay was my childhood nickname or endearment given to me by my aunts and cousins while I was growing up in Laguna. I never came to know kung ano yung meaning ng Sawalay, pero every time maaalala ko yung specific memory na yan, it just makes me happy. Now, if you would ask me why I want this podcast to be linked with a part of my childhood, it's because being a kid is often associated with being honest. Di ba nga po, sabi ng mga matatanda, hindi nagsisinungaling ang mga bata. So, any random and valuable thoughts ko bilang sawelay sa podcast na to, these are all honest reflections from my experiences, whether it be about friendships, heartbreaks, or life in general. So, sa makatuwid, wala po tayong plastikan dito mga Mars. Real talk kung baga. Kapag nag-publish ako ng mga episode which would reflect my katangahan, you would know. Kasi, kung mismo magsasabi sa inyo nun. This podcast is basically me, the adult Sawelay, sharing my realizations with the honesty of Sawelay, the 7-year-old girl from Laguna. I'm also well aware na marami nang gumagawa ng ganitong klase ng podcast and you might hear the same ideas from me. Pero tatandaan na lang po natin, they will never say the same ideas the way I will. Kasi everyone is unique and each experience is different. We may have the same situation, but the way it will shape your lives differs. Hopefully, what I will share with you on the next episodes will help you in a positive way and will shape your life for the better. Kasi this podcast will have two purposes. First is to be my personal journal, and second is to serve as something na makokonsume ng tao for their welfare and comfort. Alam ko po kasi na may mga taong kagaya ko na minsan walang makausap, or even those people na who tend to keep to themselves. Sana this podcast will serve as a proof na hindi po kayo nag-iisa sa mga kinakaharap nyo, whether it's something na nakakapagpalungkot sa inyo or something very special na nakakapagpasaya sa inyo. Hindi nyo man ako kilala personally, let this podcast show you na whatever you're going through right now, someone already made it out of that situation or is currently going through it. Personally, it doesn't matter if this podcast does not reach the mainstream audience. What's important for me though is to be able to share any valuable thoughts I have from my own experiences which could potentially help someone from somewhere cope with something. Tandaan po natin, hindi po tayo lahat ay nabibiyayaan ng mapagmahal na pamilya at mga tunay na kaibigan na dadamayan tayo sa mga oras na mabigat ang ating kalooban o makikisaya sa atin sa mga oras ng tagumpay. Ngayon, sa mga future listeners naman po, huwag kayong mag-alala. I believe a conversation is a two-way street and you can always leave your suggestions using the Q&A portion of every episode. Kagaya po nitong episode 0, meron po tong Q&A portion. You can leave your comments, suggestions, and feedbacks para po mabasa ko. Also, if active po kayo sa Instagram, you may also leave a comment sa mga IG posts and stories ko. Through those channels, you may share your random thoughts on a random day. Then, isi-share ko rin po sa inyo anong stand ko or reflections ko on those experiences that you have. Malay nyo nga naman, ma-feature din po yung random thought nyo dito sa Sawelay Thoughts. Sabay-sabay po nating abangan yan and I'm looking forward to that. Ayun, palakpakan na po. That's it. That concludes our episode 0. Yes, maikli lang po, but I hope I'm able to give you an insight on how this podcast, Sawelay Thoughts, can add value to your life. And I'm hoping na may ma-add naman nga po na value sa inyo. For me, as Sawelay, at the end of every episode, I just don't want anyone to feel alone. Ito po yung main purpose ng podcast na to. And by that, I hope you'll stick with me in the upcoming episodes. Kaya, follow me on my Instagram at Sawelay Thoughts and you can also subscribe sa Spotify mismo para masundan nyo ang kadaldalan ni Sawelay. Once again, ito ang babaeng madaldal na walang makausap. Daldal again next time dito sa Sawelay Thoughts.